Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful bridal look. Starting off with the brows, using Beauty Line by Didi's brow pencil, I brush up the brows and then I start to outline the brows. Starting from the beginning, I trace the brows up to where it stopped and going up to the brows, I do the same thing. And basically now, I like my brows to look natural. In quotes, I begin to create hair-like strokes. Now, using the Nubian Beauty concealer, I am cleaning the under of my brows. I like to start from the middle and then work my way to the tail, then to the front. And that way I'm able to control how much product I use. Then I blend. Doing the same thing to the other side of her brows. Using the Blot Cosmetics brow gel, I like this particular shade because it makes the brows look very soft. NYX pencil as an eyeshadow base, and also going in with my Too Faced palette. The first shade I'm using in the Too Faced palette is called Strawberry Bum Bum. So I'm blending that into her crease and also from the outer V straight to her crease. Going in with a clean blending brush, I just soften out the first shade applied. Now I'm using the Zika palette and I'm applying the shade Flirt onto her eyelid. I'm applying and also blending the shade into the first color, the Strawberry Bum Bum that we applied first, so we don't have any ash line or demarcation. I'm blending both colors into each other. Going in with the shade Raw from the Zika palette, I'm blending that shade onto her crease, slightly into her brow bone. Then I go in with a clean blending brush and also blend. I'm using the Ingloss 77 gel liner. Starting out from the outer part, I trace, or I start to trace how I want my liner to look. Most times I always like to wing it out. Now there are different types of eyeliner and I'll be doing a tutorial on how to achieve them, so stay tuned for the video. If you want a link to where I got this brush from, because it's really flat and very precise. Now some people like to use the fine tip. That's good. I started out using that one, but I find out that using a flat angled brush gives me precision and balance. Now I connected a black gel liner from our wing down to our waterline. Like I said, an in-depth tutorial will be coming very soon. Stay tuned for it. Taking the shade Amaretto from my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, I start to smudge that shade under our lash line, blending it with the gel liner to create this smoky effect. Applying the Zaron Cosmetics mascara under our lashes to give a volume. I'm using the Blood Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Emoji to line our lips and also to prep our lips or prepare our lips for the next shade. The next shade I used was from Glam Girls Cosmetics. I can't find the lipstick, but I'll look for it and then put this in the description box. I'm blending it with the first shade, that's the Blood Cosmetics gel liner that I use. Blood Cosmetics liquid lipstick that I use to create an ombre effect. Going in with the MAC lip glass, I'm applying it to give it shine. I'm applying it on her lips to give it shine. And if you know me, you know that I just cannot do without applying gloss. Now our giveaway winner is at P Precious. Check your DM because I'll be DMing you shortly to send your details for shipping. And that's the finished look, guys. Be sure to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. I post every Tuesdays and Fridays. So more content coming your way and more giveaways coming your way too.